Welcome to Da Nang and welcome to the Lekwandao Street here. Let's have a look what's going to happen over there. I'm very interested if there are new restaurants. I think there's one restaurant at least I want to check out. At least one. Very busy here now at sunset time. We're here at Fly Burgers. Also a good burger place, but the burgers are a little bit small in my opinion. But also the price is smaller, so it's actually good value anyways. This here is also very tricky to walk around here. It's not really pedestrian friendly here, but it's nowhere really pedestrian friendly here. This is also a very interesting area to live. I also walked with you around that area a lot. Something is going to happen there again. What is this truck for? And look at this. I think this is going to be a showroom, guys. This will be a showroom because that looks like it's done. It's just one room is done already. So what does it mean if it's a showroom? Is it still going to be a hotel or is it going to be apartments as well? It's super interesting. I think I would want to live there. I mean, it looks very nice. It is, however, on a big, very important street, the Lekwandao Street. I think, please let me know in the comments if I'm right, but Lekwandao was a king, right? If I'm not wrong, a king in Vietnam back in the days. All those names have some history, I think. I gotta check this out. But yeah, so now I'm actually gonna go to Phan Ton, okay? And this place here, the last time I walked here, it was not open, but now it's there and open. I think it could be like a meat restaurant. I saw a lot of beef and dishes there. Like for example, hello. Like look at this here. I can see 3 burger patties and some kind of sauce. A Wagyu hambagu. Guys, what kind of dishes is this? Is it like a Vietnamese fusion or something? Yeah, very interesting. The M Kitchen. I don't think it has something to do with M Hotel, but yeah. Let's check out. This is Lelo Street, or I would call it the Aussie Bistro Street, because here in the middle of this street is the Aussie Bistro. The homestay here, some drink shop, and the Samantha. I already reviewed the Samantha place, Samantha Hotel. They also have big bikes here for rent. Hello. And oh my God, this is, by the way, Marco's dream concept of coffee shop. Exactly like this. They're working on it. Look at this. It's gonna be great. I think, let me see, there are 8 people there working and it's evening already. I think it's gonna be done in 2 weeks. This is also good for money exchange and crypto exchange. Very interesting. Now the Aussie Bistro here. Oh, it's very busy. Can I see a rod? Huh. I didn't see Rod. I'm gonna go back there probably on Sunday. So this is the Lelo Street here. This is an apartment building, I think. And also, I really like this hotel here. I forgot the name. Let me see. This hotel is actually a good option, guys. I will be there soon. Oh, this is a cute dog. The rat hunter. Hopefully she recognized me. Psst, psst, psst. You don't recognize me anymore? She's always so nice to me. Come. Smell me. You know me. You like me? Come. I thought we were friends. That's so sad. No more loyalty in this world. My heart is broken. Usually she's excited when she sees me in the Aussie Bistro, but then she's probably fed well, because they feed them a lot. So the dogs that hang around at the Aussie Bistro are not the dogs from the Aussie Bistro. They belong to this place. But the Aussie Bistro ladies, they feed the dogs with Aussie meat. And that's why I love them so much. Grand Sunrise Boutique Hotel here. That's the one. I like that one. You know, it's absolutely insane. The prices for the last day of the International Fireworks Festival, it's absolutely insane. I actually saw this one hotel I reviewed the last time with Aussie Rod, another Rodney. Rodney, shout out to Rodney. I reviewed this hotel with Rodney, and it was literally $7.50 US, okay? And today, on Saturday to Sunday, the last day of the International Fireworks Festival, it's literally 143. And then I checked out some other hotels. They're all those hotels that are around here that usually go for 7 to 13, they're all over 100. It's crazy. And you can see here how full the streets are. The airfares are super high at the moment, so people come with the cars to Da Nang. Yeah, this is I think the busiest day of the year, most likely for all businesses. Just think about every single hotel at the Han River. Yeah, it's packed. Everywhere it's full, and even normal small hotels somewhere close by here, even here, just around, it's crazy. So the cheapest, like just a little shack in the city where no one wants to stay, usually. I saw this hotel, I was like, oh my God, $63 for a little shack. Yeah, it's insane. But yeah, that's I think, most likely the number one tourist day of Da Nang this year. But it was last year the same. Especially last minute, you will not get anything. It's crazy. If you do it early on, if you, for example, planning to come to Da Nang in July next year, don't do this mistake and book last minute. Go to google.com and Google International Fireworks Festival, Da Nang 2026, okay? Google the days, and if the day is during your stay or your intended stay, book. Especially book, at least book the last weekend, book it. The other days is not that important. Because, for example, Monday everything is back on normal. It was also normal to book a few days ago. It's just this Friday to Sunday, and especially Saturday to Sunday, it's completely full. This new restaurant is also packed. Crazy. It's a good day for the economy, but it can be a bad day if you come here last minute, guys. So if you're planning on coming to Da Nang 2026 or 2027 or every year in July, it's usually July, check it. It's usually June, July, it depends on whenever they think it is, right? But usually that time of the year, and make sure to Google the last day. The last day is 100% always busy. And since tourism is growing, it's not gonna get less. Yes, what is true, until 2026, June, July, in 1 year, there will be probably 1,000 new hotel rooms because so many hotels are gonna be finished, and Airbnbs and everything, but the demand will be also high. So do yourself a favor and book. I don't think you can book 1 year ahead, but just try to book like 7, 8 months, 6 months before, something like that. Yeah, then you're gonna have a good rate. It's still gonna be higher than usual, especially on that days, but it's not gonna be like crazy what it is now. So we're here now at the 43 Town. I think this 43 Town company owns a lot. Because I feel like it's also, the whole block is 43 Town. I'm wondering whose mother company it is. I mean, the head company. It's not good weather today with the sunsets, but it is very busy, as you can see. This is the busiest weekend you have in Da Nang in the year. So be prepared for everything to be a little bit more crowded. Especially now, okay, it's green. And the bus drove, all right. The beach should be also very, very packed today. Bánh bao guy is waiting.
Bánh bao đây. Bánh bao nóng hổi thơm ngon đây.
Yeah, it's very busy. That's how it looks. So beautiful. Wow. Two bánh bao guys here at the same spot.
Bánh bao đặc biệt. Bánh bao đây. Bánh bao.
I'm really wondering what this will be. This will be. Yeah, this year. They extended. There was a Japanese or Korean place in there. I think Korean place, but they also had sushi. So yeah, and they extended it left and right. So this is gonna be big. The parasailing is still going on. There was an incident at the Sunshore Mountain. That was pretty bad. I think a tourist from Ho Chi Minh City fell down, so they suspended everything. At least that's what I heard on the news. But who knows what's happening there. Very bad. It's actually even nicer in the evening when the lights are on and it's getting slowly dark. It's still very hot though. It's very, very hot. It's like very humid and hot. So this did not change anything yet. But hopefully there's gonna be a breeze soon. But still people are playing volleyball. 2 volleyball nets here at the moment, not more. Usually there should be 4, but yeah. I'm also wondering when this project will start. Very interesting. There's so many new buildings I'm very interested in. I want to see them. It's very interesting. I want to see how the city will look like in 5 years. Yeah, I can see so many people there all the way in the back. They're also all in the water. And yeah, the beach is very wide now at the moment.
Bán đảo Sơn Trà và các bãi biển du lịch Đà Nẵng xin kính chào quý khách. Kính thưa quý khách, hiện nay theo quy định của Ủy ban Nhân dân thành phố không được chăn dắt vật nuôi, thả súc vật ở công viên và dưới bãi biển. Tuy nhiên, vẫn còn một bộ phận người dân và du khách thường xuyên dắt vật nuôi, đặc biệt là chó không được dọn mõm.
So, what is very interesting, guys, I saw a news article about the Chinese man who rolled their shirt up to have a crop top, you know, just to cool the belly. I mean, the Vietnamese, they do it too. So, in the article, they called it the Beijing bikini, okay? So, since the Chinese doing it, so Beijing bikini, right? But what is it called in Vietnam? Because the Vietnamese do it too. And since I'm becoming maybe a Vietnamese uncle too, I have to do it too. You know, I gotta blend in. Paradise Beach Club. I was very disappointed on that. The coconuts were very, very warm drinking them, and they were, I think, 75K or something for warm, small coconuts. And I'm like, oh my god, I just want to go back to my yellow card. 40K and it is nice and cold. So I would not recommend going to Paradise to drink coconuts. Just go there for the happy hour beer. Buy 2, get 1 free. I think a lot of people do that. They love this. This is a great place to have a beer, but not a great place to have coconuts. Yeah, guys, this is where we actually stopped the last time. I showed you this here and this new construction site. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Please check out this video and see you in the next one.